Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You must stop the virus from communicating, disconnect the network now, and prevent data exfiltration. Once offline, reboot into safe mode because fewer services load, which makes removal safer and easier. While that boots, prepare a clean USB or CD with the latest offline antivirus installer from a known good computer. This ensures you're not using compromised tools. Make sure to note any unusual processes before you proceed. These clues speed detection and avoid wasting time on false positives. You run the offline antivirus now because it can detect rootkits and hidden files without network interference. Start a full system scan and let it finish. Once detections appear, quarantine first, then delete confirmed threats, and reboot into safe mode again to clean locked files. Next, examine startup items with msconfig or the Task Manager Startup tab to remove persistence mechanisms. If items reappear, check registry, run keys, and scheduled tasks. Remove malicious entries carefully, because that's where many infections survive. You're close. Repair system integrity by running sfc/scano and dism to fix corrupted Windows files, or reinstall the OS if corruption is severe. Once system files are sound, change all passwords using another, uncompromised device and enable two-factor authentication to reduce future risk. After that, run a second independent antivirus to confirm cleanliness, and monitor network and security logs for 72 hours to catch delayed activity. If malware returns, use a forensic boot disk or consult a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.